Hey there, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how we can integrate agents with CrewAI framework. And in this video, we'll see how we can integrate it with the AutoGen framework. So here I'll be creating a AutoGen GDPR governed customer service bot, and I'll try to run that. So I've created certain tool functions like get order, refund, export data, and delete account. So once that is done, I'm running a GDPR account deletion request. So this is how you can integrate AutoGen agents with agents. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Thank you for watching.